In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to enable the call screening on in iOS 26 update on iPad or iPhone. To do that, first of all open settings and you will be in this setting. Now you have to look for the phone option, or you can go to apps first and then open the phone app. You can see that, just open this. And now to enable the call screening, you will be able to see the call screening in this screen unknown callers. So you can choose the ask reason for calling. Once you enable this, so this will guys help you. The call from unknown unsaved number will be asked for more information before iPhone rings, and calling and data rates may apply. So this will guys going to enable your call screening on your iPhone or iPad. So this is a great feature, I think. So yeah, the more video guys till then, bye.